You can never stop being a good friend no matter what age you're in. From bata to matanda, always be a good friend. You know, like what we teach our children, kasi syempre kami ni DJ Chloe, may mga anak na kami. Parang ano lang yan wrong spelling wrong. Hindi mo pwedeng sabihin na correct ang spelling niyan, mali nga. 'Di ba? So, what we always teach our children, pag mali, huwag mong ipagtanggol, huwag mong ipilit.
Tama.
Ang mali ay mali. And you cannot justify the wrong by doing something wrong again. Alam mo yun? So, pag mali, mali talaga.
Yeah. And sometimes you just let the person learn the lesson. Hayaan mo siya. Kasi magkakaroon din naman niya ng parang day of reckoning para sa sarili niya na marirealize niya na I was in the wrong. Unless otherwise, hindi yan nagmamature.
Correct.
Diba? At tingin niya palaging tama ang ginagawa niya. Or ano ba yun? Pa-victim lagi siya. Merong ganong attitude, ginawa ko to kasi ganito, ganyan. Kaya ako to ginawa, ganito, ganyan. And that's, that's wrong. But I do believe that people change,
Yes.
And with you not stopping to be a friend and baka mas mature ka lang dun sa kaibigan mo, i-guide mo na lang.